So today is December 15th. Our tourist visas expired, mine and the two girls, and we are on the way to Campeche to get an additional 6-month extension on the tourist visas. So hopefully, as I mentioned before, our plan never was to really stay here this long. Move abroad and thrive was really about bouncing around the multiple countries to kind of showcase different parts of the world where one might be able to thrive, where their dollar may be able to go further. But I had a change of plans. Kids fell in love with the place. Great dance program, great place to live, and so things kind of shifted. So we didn't go the traditional route in getting a more permanent visa when we got here. So now I'm looking to buy an extra 6 months of time, and then we'll sort that out over the next 6 months. It's been a very pleasant drive to Campeche. Virtually zero traffic out here on the way, so that's good. Should be arriving shortly. Campeche. Alrighty, so just getting the immigration and just waiting our turn in line, and hopefully we'll be on the inside shortly. So we did not get our visas today. We actually finished the first part of it. They had, when we got there were a bunch of refugees, Haitian refugees there, already outside lined up, and the lady came out and told us that they were going to give preference to getting those refugees processed. Apparently Campeche accepted a few thousand refugees, and trying to get my bearings straight, accepted a few thousand refugees, and they say they were giving them priority processing. So, but what they did do for us is they went ahead and took us through one phase of the process, and got us into the system. And essentially we have like 20 business days to come back. I got some on my foot. At 20 business days to come back. So essentially it's about January 15th. We'll come back, and then we'll finish up the second and third part of the process. But it looks like we're gonna get it. They didn't have any issues with the paperwork, and honestly she thought that they might be able to get it done yesterday, but due to the Christmas holidays they closed early. So instead of closing later in the evening, they closed at 1 p.m. So if it wasn't for that, we might have been able to get it done yesterday. And like I said, man, they were very, very nice down there, and she all but indicated that everything looked good and we'll get those extra 6 months and whatnot. So that's what it's at. So they gave us an extra piece of paper. We just got to carry it around with us. If we get stopped, we just show them that paperwork, and that just lets them know that we are in the system getting processed, and that they know that we are here, and they are expecting us to come back. So that's what's up. Just wanted to share that with you. Campeche was a beautiful place. It was only 2 hours away, so it's definitely a place to go take a day trip or a weekend trip, which I plan to do. I might do it over the Christmas holidays, because it was a very nice place. The sea is out there, a lot of restaurants along the water. So yeah, y'all check it out. It's a beautiful place. when I get out there, I will get some footage and share that with you. Cartes, move abroad and thrive. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.